In this video, I'm going to show you how to cancel your Factor 75 membership. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so the first thing you need to do is to log into your account. So go to the Factor 75 website and log in. And then from there, once logged in, navigate to your account settings. This is usually found by clicking on your profile or account icon. And then look for an option that says manage subscriptions or something similar. And then from there, within the managed subscription section, you should find an option to cancel your subscription. Follow the prompts to complete the cancellation process. And then you might need to confirm your cancellation via email or for a final confirmation page. And then if that doesn't work, you can contact customer support. So if you encounter any issues or cannot find the cancellation option, you can contact Factor 75 customer support for assistance. They can be reached via email here and their phone number there. So be sure to cancel before the next billing cycle as well to avoid being charged for the next delivery.